everyone, I'm back again with this another video. It is correctly said, the essence of mathematics is not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple. So with this, in today's video, I'm going to explain you tricks of Vedic maths. Now this Vedic maths is a collection of techniques to solve arithmetic problems in an easy and faster way. It consists of many tricks and sub-tricks which can be used for questions involved in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, conic, etc. So to get a proper solution of any mathematical problems when regular and in your practice of Vedic mathematical formula is made, the concentration or memory is developed also, a fairness is seen in his thinking and meditation. So due to freshness, simplicity and agreeability of Vedic mathematics creates a feeling of inquisitiveness in the human heart. In fact, Vedic maths is a science of making someone's inner soul awake. This awareness of inner soul becomes the basic of the development of the human mind and personality. So today we are going to learn how to multiply numbers with 11 to 19 in less than 5 seconds. So let's begin. Multiplying numbers with 11. So multiplying numbers with 11. Let's take, for example, 32 into 11. So let us see how to do it. First, we will start with 11 and move to 12, 13 and then up to 19. So let's see this stepwise step. So now let's take an example. Multiplying numbers with 11, 32 into 11. So first split 3 into 2, 3 and 2 into left and right parts. So this 3 it is left part and 2 it's right part. And then in between leave a blank. And then let's see how what you will fill in this blank. Here simply add this 3 plus 2 and 3 plus 2 it is 5 and place this in between. So this is how you can multiply numbers with 11. Now your final answer it is 352 or 352. You can try with other numbers now yourself and then you can check also. Okay, now let's take for example 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. Now the method it is called adding to the neighbor. So now in 1, 2, 3, 4 the neighbors of 2. Here the neighbors of 2 they are 1 and 3. And the neighbors of 3 they are 2 and 4 respectively. Now let's begin how to multiply. Now we put 2 strokes beside this number 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is one stroke, here it is another stroke, and place 2 zeros over here. And now we start adding to the neighbor. First we add 4 plus 0. it gives us 4 and place it over here. Now add 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. Place it over here. And then again add 2 plus 3. It gives us 5. So here, place it over here. And now again 1 plus 2. It gives us 3. So place it over here again. Okay, now so finally add this 0 to 1 and then place it over here. Now your final answer is how much? 1, 3, 5, 7, 4. Isn't it too simple? Now you can try of your own 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. And you can check also. Now let's take for example 777 into 11. This sum will involve carryover 2. So how to do this? Now we put again 2 in 2 strokes beside 777 and place zeros on either sides. And now here 7 plus 0, we start adding to the neighbor. First we add 7 plus 0 and it is 7. After that again 7 plus 7, it's 14. Now here this one will go to the carryover in the next. So now look here. So again this 7 plus 7 is how much? It's 14. And now this one, it will come over here and it will become 15. Now again this one, again it will go to the next, carry over to the next. So now here you place 5 and now 0 plus 7, it's 7, and here this one will come over here and add up and it gives you 8. So now you will place 8 over here and your final answer is how much now? 8, 5, 4, 7. Isn't it too simple? So now you can try any number multiplied with 11. So now next is multiplying numbers with 12. Now let's take for example 1, 2, 3, 4 times 12. Now the method it is called doubling and then adding to the neighbor. So we know that we double since the number 12 has a 2. Had the multiplier been 13, we would have tripled and then added to the neighbor. Now here we put 2 strokes beside this 1, 2, 3, 4, this number. Here we keep zeros on either sides. And now we start doubling and adding to the neighbor. So first here 4, double of 4 gives us 8 and then add to 0 gives us 8. Now next we now double this 3 to get 6 and then add to the neighbor. 6 plus 4 it's 10. So 1 goes to carry over to the next. Now here again double this 2 and we get 4, and this add again 1. You need to add this 1 to over here. Okay, so now 1 you need to add over here, it becomes 5, and then add to the neighbor plus 3, it's 8. So now next, okay, double 1 we get 2, and then 2 plus 2 added to the neighbor, it gives us 4. Place 4 over here, and now finally 0 plus double 0, we get 0 only. Double of 0 is 0, and add 1 because in the neighbor it is having 1. So 0 plus 1 it's 1. So place this 1 over here finally, and now it gives you the final answer 14808. So simple, isn't it? So now you can try by your own also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 12. So check and Did you find it easy or not? Tell me. Okay, now rule of thumb. So now thumb rule for 13 to 19. For 13, it's 3 times like we did in 12. We doubled and added to the neighbor. In 13, you will triple and add. In 14, you will multiply it by 4 and add to the neighbor. And in 15, it's 5 times, add to the neighbor, and so on. And for 18, it's 8 times, add to the neighbor. And finally, for 19, it's 9 times, add to the neighbor. Amazing rules, isn't it? Try some sums now. Now you can try this by yourself and check. And did you find it really easy? Tell me. 45239 into 11, 6532 into 12, 156 into 13, 67087 into 12, 3568 into 14, 60567 into 17, 89341 into 19, 23412 into 15, 467692 into 18, 45213 into 13. So now try it out and check your answers too over here. And you can share with me if you find it easy. These mantras shared by me of Vedic maths are exactly true. The knowledge of Vedas cannot be obtained only by thinking or learning. It is an accomplished feeling and expression in the form of mantras. So to get a proper solution of any mathematical problems, when a regular and in your practice of Vedic mathematical formulas and tricks is made, the concentration and memory is developed. With this, I'll bring you more mantras of Vedic maths in my next video. Keep on watching. Thank you. Till then, stay safe and learn new things at home.